And she baiting on hook up again. And y'all can't tell me that ain't, her coming on forward on what she mentioned. I'm gonna take my own fish, y'all. I'm gonna catch and release, but I'm gonna, not only that, I'm gonna bait my own hook. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Formula be out here with nature. Y'all see that duck right there too, don't you? Straight up. You better know it. That's okay. Hey, that phone was nice. Where you get that at? That look pretty new to me.